Welcome back to Bike Brand Pro, your go-to source for the latest in two-wheeler news and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated commuter sport bikes of the year, the 2025 Hero Xtreme 125r. Hero MotoCorp is raising the bar in the 125 cubic centimeter segment, and the Xtreme 125r proves they are serious about performance, efficiency, and style. Design and styling. The 2025 Xtreme 125r sports an aggressive and aerodynamic design. With sharp body lines, a muscular fuel tank, and an all-LED lighting setup, this bike looks every bit like a premium street fighter. Hero has focused on youthful appeal, offering bold color options and sporty graphics that stand out in traffic. Performance and engine. Powering the Xtreme 125r is a 124.7 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers around 11.4 brake horsepower and 10.5 Nm of torque. Mated to a 5-speed gearbox, the engine provides a smooth and responsive riding experience, perfect for daily commutes and light weekend rides. Hero's i3S idle stop-start system technology also adds to its fuel efficiency. Ride and handling. Built on a new diamond frame chassis, the bike offers impressive stability and comfort. Telescopic front forks and a monoshock rear suspension ensure confident handling on both city roads and uneven surfaces. The riding position is upright yet sporty, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. Features and technology. Hero has equipped the Xtreme 125r with a fully digital instrument cluster that includes real-time mileage, gear position indicator, and Bluetooth connectivity for call and SMS alerts. Additional features like a side-stand engine cutoff and hazard lights enhance both safety and convenience. Pricing and verdict. With a competitive starting price that undercuts many rivals, the Hero Xtreme 125r offers tremendous value. It's a well-rounded package for young riders and daily commuters looking for style, performance, and practicality in one compact machine. Outros. Subscribe for more. That's a wrap on the 2025 Hero Xtreme 125r. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Brand Pro for more updates on the latest bike launches and reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next video.